Welcome students, welcome back to my channel Anxiety. So it's the most requested video from my students regarding 20 March 2021 real IELTS test writing task 2. It's not about simply topics, it's about the questions. Okay, so here I'm going to discuss the essay questions. You will get these topics and the questions for your 20th March. Sometimes they will not ask you in the same format as it is. There will be some differences will be there, but the content will be same. Okay, so try to prepare with these questions. So the first question is related to government role. Some people think that the government should provide assistance to all kinds of artists, including painters, musicians, and poets. However, other people think that it is a waste of money. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So, you want to discuss both the side. Along with that, try to give your opinion in detail in third body paragraph. So, the second question is related to transportation and tourism. International travel makes people prejudiced rather than broad minded. What are its causes and what measures can be taken to solve this problem? So, it's coming under problem solution essay. Then, the third question related to world issues or global issues. Rich countries often give financial aid to poor countries, but it does not solve the poverty. So, rich countries should give other types of help to the poor countries rather than the financial aid. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So you need to write this essay in a balanced way. Then the next question related to environment and economy. The food travels thousands of miles from farm to consumer. Some people think it would be better to our environment and economy if people only ate locally produced food. What extent do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? So here you need to write the third body paragraph too because it's an outweigh type essay. So it's better to write two body paragraph about advantages and one body about disadvantages. Then the next question about the youngsters and career choices. The most important decision that young people have to follow is what career to choose. So do you agree or disagree? So it's a one-sided opinion essay. Either you can agree or you can disagree. Next question related to business and money. As well as making money, businesses should also have social responsibilities. Do you agree or disagree? It's also a one-sided opinion essay. So you can expect questions related to business and economy and money. Okay. So the next topic is transportation. People have to spend more and more time to travel from their homes for jobs and study. What are the reasons and how we can solve this problem? So it's coming under problem solution essay. So you want to give reasons and solution. So the next question is related to culture and tradition. Many people think young people should follow traditions. Others argue that young people should be free to be individuals. So discuss both views. So you need to discuss both the side. Sometimes they will ask you in the form of discuss both views and state your opinion too. Moving on to the next question, advertising and consumerism. Advertising describes people from being different individuals by making us all want to do the same and to look the same. Do you agree or disagree? So you can expect the questions related to advertising, how it will affect the youngsters and children and affect our lifestyle and all, and about the consumerism or the materialism in the society. Then the next topic, technology and materialism. There are social, medical and technical problems associated with the use of mobile phones. So it's the common topic only related to mobile phone, internet, technology and all. So what forms do they take? And do you agree that the problems outweigh the benefit of mobile phones? So you need to answer for both the side. That means it's like a two-part essay. So you need to answer for what forms do they take in the first body paragraph, and you want to arrange the second body paragraph for do you agree that the problems outweigh the benefits of mobile phones. Okay, third body paragraph is optional according to your point. Okay, so you need to answer for both the question. Then the next topic related to government role. Some people think that government should subsidize fruits and vegetables to make healthy food cheaper. Others argue that tax should be set on unhealthy food. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. So you need to discuss both the side, and in the third body paragraph you can write your opinion in detail. So that's better. Then the next question is related to globalization. Some people think that it is more important to plant trees in open areas of towns and cities than you build more housing. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So under the globalization only, they will ask you the questions related to these housing facilities, about local and international products, about some facilities and all. Okay, the next topic will be news and media. News media is important in our society. Why is it so important? Do you think its influence is generally a positive or negative development? While seeing positive and negative development, don't misunderstand that it's an opinion type essay. You need to answer for the first question too. It's like a two-part question. Okay. Then moving on to the next topic, food and health. In many countries, traditional food are being replaced by international fast food. This is having a negative effect on both families and societies. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also it's better to write about both the side to be in balance. So the next topic is related to crimes and punishment. In recent years, the number of crimes committed by teenagers in major cities throughout the world is increasing. Discuss the issue, give reasons, and suggest some solutions. So here this essay is coming under problem solution essay. You want to give reasons, you want to discuss the issue, and you want to give suggestions. Next topic is transportation and housing. As transport and accommodation problems are increasing in many cities, some governments are encouraging businesses to move to rural areas. Do you think the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? So it's a repeated question only from long back. So here also you want to give more importance to the advantages because it's an outweigh type of question coming under discussion type. So you can expect the questions related to this accommodation problems, transportation problems in urban areas or metropolitan cities. Moving on to the next topic, computer and internet. Some people think computer and internet are important in children's study, but others think students can learn effectively in schools and with teachers. That means traditional classroom programs. Discuss both sides and give your own opinion. So you want to write about both the side. That means about the online platforms and also about the offline programs. That means traditional classroom programs. Okay, then you want to give your opinion too. Next topic related to TV, news and media. Some people believe that the radio is the best way to get news, while others believe that TV is a better for this purpose. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So here also you want to discuss both the side about the radio and also about the TV, and you want to give your opinion. What do you think about this? Which one is best? So you can give your opinion too. Then moving on to the next topic, arts and theatre. All over the world, people watch foreign films much more than locally produced film. Why? Should the government provide financial support to local film industries? So here also you want to give answer for both the question. You want to give reasons for that. Why? Okay, that's the first part of the question. And second one, should the government provide financial support to local film industries? So you need to answer for both the questions. Then the next topic, society and people. In some countries, more and more adults are living with their parents after graduating from college, university, or even after finding a job. Do the advantages of this outweigh the disadvantages? So you can expect more questions related to these social issues and all, and about the youngsters, children related to that, and also the type means outweigh type of question. You need to concentrate more on opinion type of question and also discussion along with opinion type essay. Okay, so the next topic is sports and games. Some people think sports and games are important for society, while others believe they should be taken as leisure activity. So discuss both views and give your own opinion. So here also you need to discuss both the views, both the side, and you need to explain your opinion. So if they are asking for discussion along with opinion type essay means you need to give thesis statement in your introduction, and it's better to add third body paragraph with explanation for your opinion. So all the very best for your test. Do well. So try to prepare some points under these all topics, and if you like this video means please give thumbs up and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon nearby to get notifications. So thank you so much and stay tuned.